Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. So to prepare this treatment, we will be needing rosemary. I will be making use of dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary is a very powerful herb that you can introduce to your hair, especially if you are struggling with length retention and you want to increase hair growth, and also if you have hair thinning and baldness. So I have been using rosemary in most of my videos, and every time I'm making my hair growth treatments, I don't like to skip rosemary because this herb is not a joke. It helps to grow hair faster. So I'm transferring some rosemary to the mixing jar. Just 2 tablespoons is okay for me. So moving on to the next ingredient, we will be adding cinnamon powder. So for today, I'm going to be using cinnamon powder, but you can also use whole cinnamon sticks if you have. Use any that you have. So cinnamon helps to increase blood circulation to the scalp, and increased blood circulation helps to fasten hair growth and increase hair thickness. So introducing cinnamon to your hair care routine will help to uh, fasten hair growth as well as making your hair to grow thicker and longer. So another amazing ingredient we will be adding is cloves powder. So today I'm going to be using all the ingredients in powder form except rosemary because that's what I have for now. Just feel free to use any that you have, either whole or in powder form. So for cloves, I'm just using a half teaspoon. You don't need to use a lot of these ingredients because they are in powder form. When they are in powder form, they are concentrated. So and all of them are potent. So just a few, uh, just half teaspoon is okay. So the next ingredient we have is cumin, and I will be using cumin powder. You can use whole cumin as well. Also, I'm adding a half teaspoon. Once I'm done adding all these ingredients to the jar, next I'm going to be adding water, and I'm going to be using hot water. So just use hot water to infuse these ingredients because if you use cold water, then it's going to take long when infusing. So use hot water every time you are infusing dry ingredients. So I added a 1.5 cup of water, and now I'm giving some stir, and after that I'm going to cover and I'll leave the ingredients to infuse for about 24 hours. You can also leave them to infuse for 48 hours if you want, and if you want it to infuse better, but 24 hours is okay. So after 24 hours, this is how it's looking like, guys. You can see how amazing the color is. Now it is really brown. All the infusion, the ingredients infused really well. Now I'm gonna be straining out to get the liquid. So guys, I hope you are still watching this video up to this point and you are enjoying it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and also give this video a thumbs up. Share it to your loved ones. So now you can see how amazing the treatment is looking. Very powerful and potent. Now I'm gonna be transferring to this applicator bottle so I can go ahead and show you guys how I use on my hair. My hair is feeling dry right now. It is also tangled. It has been 2 weeks since I refreshed my twists. I usually refresh my twist after 1 or 2 weeks. So today is the day that I will be refreshing them, and I'm going to be using this spray to retwist my hair back after I refresh them. So how I'm going to use this is to moisturize or hydrate my hair with it, and then I'm going to be detangling my hair carefully with my fingers, locating in a single knot and tangles with the spray. And then after that, I'm going to retwist my hair back each twist, and I will also remoisturize my hair with uh, leave-in conditioner and butter. So this is how I have been doing, or I've been taking care of my hair. I don't over manipulate my hair since the year started, because I noticed that every time I over manipulate my hair, I get I get a lot of hair breakage. So that's why I decided to keep my hair twisted for at least 2 weeks, and then I refresh my twist. So so how to use this spray? Use it as a leave-in, as I'm using today. Just apply it on your hair and scalp, and also massage it to your scalp every time you apply. Massaging it to your scalp will help to increase blood flow, because an increased blood flow helps to increase hair thickness, as well as helping to fasten hair growth. So using this on your scalp and hair at least 2 to 3 times a week will bring a significant change. Remember, the three ingredients we used are very powerful. They are very potent, and they will help to grow your hair extremely fast, thick, and healthy. So once you apply this, do not forget to apply a leave-in conditioner and hair butter or oil to seal in and lock that moisture, so that your hair won't dry out. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be using this as a leave-in to refresh my twist, and then later on I will just use a leave-in conditioner, and then use a butter or oil to lock in that moisture, and then my hair is going to stay like that until it feels dry. Then I will moisturize it. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next. Bye.